Well guys, this isn't my truck. I borrowed the crane truck. Oh look, you can tell. Cab's coming off the Mazda today. Same with the box. It's going on the frame. So plan is, I spent a little bit of this morning making sure everything was disconnected from the cab, between the cab and the frame. So I'm going to lift that off, set it right down beside the truck. I'm going to pull forwards. I'm going to unbolt the rest of the bolts on the box that we couldn't get, lift the box off, set it down right beside the truck, pull the frame forwards, pull the Toyota frame forwards, and then lift it up and put it back on. So yeah, and I got some very exciting news concerning these, but I'll share that with you next video. So yeah, let's get to it.
There's dirt on my hands, strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the When it rains, it pours. Water's up to my chin. Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it. Many men have failed. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They say no to sleepless night. Will you find me? Hope you find me. When the sunrise.
Sure doesn't take long when you got the right tools. So yeah, totally done frame. But that's what that one's for. Very excited. There's a few bolts that we couldn't get out, and some spiders apparently, but I've got the impact, so, and a big compressor on the truck, so I'll be able to get these out. Oh, what the what? Oops. I didn't even know that was a thing. Looks like I got some wiring to do. Shit. Where the hell did those go in? Back of the cab. Okay. That makes sense. That's why I didn't see them. I also forgot to disconnect the brake lines, but that's not a huge deal. But damn it, wiring! Oh well. No, that went really good. So I didn't damage anything. The hook did pop off once it touched the ground, but that's fine. Yeah, impact on the box. Then I'll unbolt the drive shafts, pull the trans and T case out. This is the weirdest friggin' shifter setup I've ever seen. It must have like rods for the 5-speed that go up into the main business area. And then this is your T case shifter. Yeah, can't wait to get rid of this stuff. I wish I had picked up that Toyota truck before I went and had this adapter made, because that adapter cost me $600, so you're damn right I'm going to use it till that blows up. I can't see that being long for this world. But yeah, once that blows up, I got that Toyota 5-speed and Toyota TK that I'm gonna bolt up. I'm gonna have to probably buy the Acme adapter, but yeah, she's coming. So I'll fire up the old compressor and get these bolts out, and then we can lift the box off.
Dream big, 'cause boy, you're gonna make it. Stand tall, there's a higher road you're taking. Let go of everything that you know and be wild in the mystery. Yeah. I've been in the darkness for 40 days. I've been searching for holy flames, a sign to light up the way. So can you help me out? Can you help me out? I've been more certain of truth before. I've been called a righteous man before. Yeah, I've been closer to Jesus before. So can you help me out? Oh, can you help me out? Am I on my own? Am I on my own? Or can you help me out? Am I on my own? Am I on my own? Or can you help me out? Can you help me out? I've been scared to look in my soul. I've been afraid I would follow the road. Yeah, afraid of the things I've been told. So can you help me out? Oh, yeah. Can you help me out? Am I on my own? Am I on my own? Or can you help me out? Am I on my own? Am I on my own? Or are you speaking now? Are you speaking now? Oh, I think I can feel you say, dream big, 'cause boy, you're gonna make it. Stand tall, there's a higher road you're taking. Let go of everything that you know and be wild in the mystery. Dream big, 'cause boy, you're gonna make it. Stand tall, there's a higher road you're taking. Let go of everything that you
Oh, got the body off, got the frame rolled forwards, got the new frame in place. I'm just about to lift it on. Very exciting.
I said you don't. I said you don't know. You don't know. Said you don't. No, you
Well guys, it's a freaking beast. I think I might end up doing a body lift on it. Not because I need to save any of this stuff. I'm going to cut all that out and fabricate my own stuff. But because of exhaust clearance, I want to be able to run compounds on the engine, and having a body lift is just going to be so much easier to run exhaust, because when I had all the crap in here, there was so little room. Like I had 3 inches between the firewall and the back of the turbo, and that's just not enough. So I got the frame and cab lined up as best I could. This is dead center on the Toyota frame. It looks pretty freaking close. That hole and that hole look pretty lined up. I'm just going off the bolt and the little tab there, so that looks good. The rear of the cab I don't think is lined up quite right, but actually, no, if the front's lined up, then the rear has to be. So it's got to be the box. The box isn't quite sitting level. One out of 4 per side actually lands on a cross member. Oh no, I lied. 2. There's 2. Sweet. So half of the holes line up. That's not bad. But yeah, I'm gonna have to do a body lift on it. But my rims and tires, those rims and the tires that I have ordered and will be here mid next week. Oh man, it's looking good. It's looking like they might fit. Granted, that's got to go up the box to match the cab. I just stuck a 4x4 under there for now because I knew that this was going to hit. Mazda cuts their frame off way sooner. I wanted it this way. I wanted the axle set forwards because of the tires I'm going to be running. I don't want to hit. So yeah, I'm so freaking excited. You guys have no idea. Now I got to pull the rims and tires. I'll pull the wheels off this, cut the leaf springs out. I'm going to add some more leaf springs to probably the rear, just because it's just sitting real low. It wasn't sitting level. The front's definitely way higher, but yeah, I got to cut this axle up. I still got to pull the engine trans. You know, I might just actually move this behind for now and deal with it tomorrow or Thursday. Thursday sounds like a good day for that. I'm beat. There's a lot of work. I've been really busy lately. You guys have been watching the 4Runner series, so you know. But yeah, body's on. I'm freaking so excited. This thing is a freaking monster. Before the door handle was like here, it's a foot higher than it was. That's so good. So good. Anyways guys, that'll do it for today. So thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.